Whoa! Welcome to Fishing Relaunched. Now, in my previous video, I showed me and my wife's first day ever ice fishing, which was very special to both of us. To immerse ourselves in this experience and enjoy the great outdoors in winter was just fantastic. Now, there's just one problem, of course, and that is we didn't catch any fish. So in this video, I'm more determined than ever to keep pushing forward with the singular goal of catching a fish through the ice. So here we go. Good morning and welcome to day 2 of my ice fishing adventure. Today, obviously, very different conditions. It's cloudy, it's overcast. I'm not in an ice hut. I'm going to be drilling holes with an ice auger, which I've never used, for the very first time. All I want to do really is just get on some fish, catch a few, and no pun intended, but break the ice when it comes to ice fishing. Stay tuned and we'll see what happens. Gotta get the slush out. So it's a bright sunny day. I don't really know how it's gonna turn out fishing wise, but I've only got half a day, really just a couple hours, so willing to give it a shot. It's cold, but it's not windy. That scared the shit out of me. I guess that's normal. All that rumbling. That's freaky, man. Okay, this is day 4 of my ice fishing odyssey. I've spent 3 days trying to catch them. No luck. Today, I rented an ice hut out here on Georgian Bay. Beautiful day again, which may or may not be good for catching fish, but just so happens I've already caught one. Earlier this morning I was able to catch a lake trout, so I feel pretty good about that. And it's within the slot limit, so there she is. You'll see that in a minute. A little hectic just getting out very early in the morning. Got out here at 6:30, just trying to get set up in the shack, which I rented, and the owner of the ice hut was good enough to drill a couple of holes and get the heater going for me this morning before I even got here, and I got here at 6:30. So yeah, so the early morning bite was on as soon as I put down a drop shot minnow, and it was on it right away. So I landed this one. Unfortunately, he really inhaled it. He wasn't going to survive, and he is within the slot limit, so I'm deciding to keep him, prepare a nice trout dinner. Otherwise, yeah, we're on here, and we're going to see how she goes. Oh, and by the way, here's the hut. Let's see it from here. I have the door open, the heater's going. It's pretty nice and toasty in here. I don't think it's big, whatever it is. Definitely got some head shakes. I actually have a fish on. I'll take it, whatever it is. What is that? First fish. A small laker. I'll take it. I'll take it. It's not big, but my first lake trout. I'm happy about that. Oh yeah, we're on. We're on, baby. Oh yeah. Right on, baby. Woo. Look at him go. Okay, this is a lot bigger than that first one, that's for sure. Look at that rod bend. Oh boy, here we go, here we go. I'll get some head shakes. Yeah, he's getting closer. Oh, wow. Holy crap. I thought I had him coming up there and he went boom, he just smashed back down there. Come on. Yeah. Now the fight is really on. Holy crap. He was just playing before. Some violent head shakes going on here. It's a much bigger fish than the first one. Wow. Good fish, man. Am I winning? Man, right. I'm gonna have to get a picture somehow here. Me with it. Don't know how this is gonna go. Where do I put this? There he is. Oh baby. There he is, there he is. Jesus. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Look at this. Ooh, baby. Yeah. Oh baby, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! I did not bring any measuring tape or he's off easy. Look at this beast, and I don't have a friggin'. How am I gonna do this? Okay, I put that on there. Yeah. One more. Okay, buddy, thank you for playing. Let's get you back in there. Easy. Oh, okay, buddy. Woo! Oh, yeah. Got something on there. Yeah, we got a fish on. Yep. Gotta figure out how big this is. Early yet. Okay, got some pretty good. Ooh, lots of head shakes. Oh, he's already there. He's right there. What is that? Whoa. That was breaking loose here. No. Okay, we're good. Alright, okay. Okay, alright, okay. Alright, buddy. Let's get you back in there. He's gone. I'll just give you a little breakdown on what's worked so far today. I mean, one of the things that's very interesting for me is that I've never really iced fished for lake trout before. So coming out here, I did some research. Don't be intimidated just because you've never done anything like this before. It doesn't mean that you can't still figure it out. Definitely ask friends or talk to locals, or just go on YouTube like I did. As far as talking to friends, well, I can tell you that the guy that rented this to me recommended a lure that he had, and he actually lent it to me. It was very nice of him. This rattle bait. It rattles and it's white, and that seems to be what they're attracted to. So that did catch me one fish. The other thing that worked today is using a drop shot. Drop shots, of course, have the sinker below the hook. Last year I bought this hook. It's called Spin Shot. And kind of like you link up two pieces of line above and below it. Below it's the sinker, above it's your line from your reel, and you just tip that with a minnow, and that's what worked first thing in the morning when I caught the first lake trout. And then the big one that I caught, and this definitely was a YouTuber. It was a guy that runs I guess it was a guide from northern Alberta on Great Slave Lake. I'll put the link below on the setup that he recommended, and this really worked on the big one. And it's a tube, which everybody knows about tubes, and white ones in particular. What you do is you insert inside the tube a sinker, one where the line can pass through it, and then you just tie on the end, the business end of that, a treble hook. Sits like that, and then of course when the fish comes up to bite it from below, it's a really good hook set. And apparently they really like these type of baits. Don't be afraid to do a little research, see what you can learn. I learned that this one will catch lake trout, big ones. All in all, a pretty good day. Got 3 lake trout. One was really, really nice, and another's a keeper, so I'm pretty happy. Slowed down in the afternoon, but that's not going to ruin the day for me. Not with that big one, so I'm pretty happy. Catch you later on Fishing Relaunched. Maybe it won't be ice fishing anymore. Maybe it'll be something else. We'll see.